The class of alcohol which IUPAC name is hydroxy represented by bond OH. Their suffix is ol. Here monohydric alcohol, dihydric alcohol and trihydric alcohol are types of alcohol. Hydroxy group, monohydric alcohol containing of one H by replacing of one H from alkane. Similarly, dihydric alcohol containing two OH replacing of two H, and in trihydric alcohol containing of 3 OH functional group due to replacing of 3H. According to replacing and adding of 1H, 2H, 1OH, 2OH and 3OH is as per the replacing of one hydrogen from the compound, 2 hydrogen from the compound and 3 hydrogen from the compound. According to this basis, methyl alcohol is monohydric alcohol, ethyl alcohol is monohydric alcohol and propyl alcohol also the monohydric alcohol. Dihydric alcohol is CH2OH bond CH2OH, that is diol ethane, and trihydric alcohol, that is CH2OH, CHOH, CH2OH, that is glycerol, triol propane. 1, 2, 3 triol propane, that is known as glycerol. For the commercial purpose, it is glycerol and also known as glycerin. Today, also classification of monohydric alcohol. Monohydric alcohol is of 3 types, that is primary alcohol, secondary alcohol, tertiary alcohol. Primary alcohol also known as first degree alcohol, that is single bond CH2OH or R bond CH2OH, where R is the radical, that is CnH2n plus 1, that makes methyl, ethyl, propyl, butyl, pentyl, hexyl, septyl and so many. Their alcohol is called primary alcohol, that is the first degree alcohol. And secondary alcohol, 2 degree alcohol, it is represented by double bond CHOH. Double bond means containing of 2 different radical either of the same radical. If same radical is present there, then it is called simple hydrogen, simple second degree alcohol, and if different, then it is called different second degree alcohol, that is represented by double bond CHOH. Where tertiary alcohol is third degree alcohol. Third degree alcohol, their representing symbol is triple bond carbon OH. Triple bond representing the third 3 types of either same or different radical, that is R1, R2, R3 and so on. Alcohol is hydroxy, their suffix is ol, and their compound is CH3OH C2H5OH, C3H7OH and C2H4OH whole 2, and they are shown, that is given in this diagram, and also study about all the alcohol of the chemistry. They are the monohydric alcohol if have the one OH. So the types of monohydric alcohol is primary alcohol, secondary alcohol and tertiary alcohol, that is 1 degree alcohol, 2 degree alcohol, 3 degree alcohol. They are representing formulation or symbol is single bond 2 OH, double bond H, carbon H, OH and triple bond carbon OH. Means all the secondary and tertiary and primary are the wings of monohydric. So here monohydric alcohol containing PaSaTA. Primary, secondary and tertiary, and all the secondary and tertiary alcohol are primary alcohol of first degree alcohol, that is a group of Pa. First degree alcohol is second degree alcohol and third degree alcohol. So Pa containing second degree and third degree alcohol, where monohydric alcohol containing primary, secondary and tertiary as first degree alcohol, second degree alcohol and third degree alcohol. This is the summary of alcohol functional group, and it help us very much in study and knowledge. So if this plan and the table and summary of alcohol is very much effective to you, then subscribe, like and share it. सब्सक्राइब, लाइक और शेयर करना नहीं भूलें। प्लान अच्छी है और अच्छे तरह से आपके समझ में भी आता है। जैसे मोनोहाइड्रिक अल्कोहल इज दिस शेप that contain SATA and PA. Primary alcohol is this shape that contains SA and TA. Hence, primary containing SATA, monohydric containing PA, SATA, first degree, second degree and third degree. Thank you for this, and I hope you will like it, share it and subscribe it very happily. Thank you very much.